So I want to show you this thing I bought from the internet, two alligator leads for starting a car that you connect to a power bank. Okay, what this has special, it's this part here. So it's a row of diodes. It has four diodes. Every package has two diodes and has 10 amps per diode, so 20 per package, and you have a total of 80 amps that can flow all the time through this, and it has an instantaneous spike of 180 per package, so that's around 800 amps, more than enough to start the car. I bought this because I wanted more of these diodes, but they come in this nice package, so they're already soldered on these metal parts. You get the wires, the alligator clips. You see the copper connectors here are quite good. I removed this. What I am intending to use this is to start a car. The problem is alternate outputs around 20 volts. So I do not want to ruin my battery or anything or any electronics in my car that I'm gonna use to start the new one. What I wanted to show you, it's you see these connectors. You see how it moves? These connectors, you need to solder the wire in here, and given the high amount of power this will pass, there will be a lot of resistance here. But besides this, the rest of the construction is very good. I also want to show you how I was able to remove this because it's quite hard. You take an M5 bolt, it's equivalent to this 5 from here, EC5, and you just put it in here, and now you have two choices. Either you hold this on a surface and just hammer it here. This is how I removed the first one. Or the easier version would be like to use a vise. This one, it's not great, but I'm just gonna use it for reference. Let's pretend this one is stuffed in here. You just put your bolt in here, and then you hold the connector to the side of the vise. And if you have like a big vise, you could just push the bolt in here and to pop this out. Or if you're having like me, the way I found it is you use a piece of wood, you put it between here and just use it as the lever to push this out, and it goes out like this. You adjust this a bit, and then when you push on this, it goes very easily up. You will need to remove this because like I showed you, it's very bad connection. So how I intend to use this is to connect this alligator to the car I want to start. I have two normal leads that I would use to start the car and connect the black one to the minus from both cars. The plus wire, I'm gonna connect it to the starting car and then to this. So basically current will flow to the starting car, but it will not go back. Without cutting the wire from here, you need to use a lighter or a blowgun, and or you can even use something like this, just a solder iron, just put it in here, and but you'll need to wait a bit longer. And after this one hits a bit, the solder in here will start to melt, get out. You'll be able to push it out from here. So after I pull it out, I've used this to cut a bit of insulation, so now I can connect the like this with the normal jumper cables. I mean, the construction of this it's quite well besides these connectors, but these diodes and this, you get it in a very nice package for the price. I'll put a link in the description. Hope you find this useful. Like and subscribe if you wanna see more.